Hey guys, welcome back to Builds by Maz. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and safely attach lumber to a concrete subfloor just like this. I'm going to be using this Ramset MasterShot, which makes this job really quick and simple. This can be used to attach wood to concrete, wood to steel, or even steel to steel, and I'll show you how to use it in just a couple minutes. Let's get started. So first things first, make sure you have proper eye and ear protection because this thing's basically like handling a pistol. So as I mentioned, this is the MasterShot. Ramset does make cheaper models of this tool, but I like this one because it has a nice handle here and the front has a silencer, so it helps reduce noise quite a bit. And the best price I could find for this was about 65 bucks on Amazon, and I'll have a link to it down below in the video description. Next, you'll need some 2.5 inch Ramset pins, which are the correct length for driving a 2x4 into concrete. The orange box is for regular wood, but the green box is specially made for pressure treated lumber, and so that's what we're going to be using. This is what they look like. They have a pre-attached washer for extra holding power, and the whole thing is hardened steel, which allows it to drive into concrete. Lastly, we need these 22 caliber cartridges. These come in different power levels, and this yellow box is level 4, which is appropriate for this application. Here's a great reference chart you can use. There's this power level indicator at the bottom, and as I mentioned, we're using this yellow level 4, which is what you want for 2x4s into solid concrete. They also use different size pins with and without washers, and there's a chart here showing how deep you want it to go depending on the material, and we're doing a 2x4 into concrete, so we want at least 1 inch depth into the concrete. Alright, so to operate this tool, the first thing we need to do is load the nail. So we're going to just place that into the end of the barrel, and this little orange piece is going to help keep the nail centered, so that needs to be pushed all the way in. Now always insert the nail first before the cartridge, so there's no risk of the tool discharging while your hands are in the way. Then you can slide open the barrel and we'll insert the cartridge. It's this small little piece just like this, and you'll insert it forward on the inside of the barrel. And it may not go in all the way, but once you slide the barrel back, it'll push itself fully into place. Now to fire the pin, first get it lined up on your 2x4. And you can see as you push it down, the nose actually depresses, which is a safety feature. So make sure you're pushing down all the way, hold it firmly, and then pull the trigger. Then you can open the barrel, and the spent cartridge should auto-eject. To reiterate how fast this is, here's the whole process again in real time. Compare this to having to buy specialized concrete drill bits, pre-drilling all your holes, and then using expensive Tapcon screws to attach it to the concrete. This is just such a better process. You can secure a full 2x4 in just a couple minutes with a few of these Ramset pins, and once you're done, this lumber's not budging anywhere. It's a really tight connection. This is a critical part of framing basement walls, and if you want to see that full instructional, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that it's helped you learn how to easily attach lumber to concrete. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.